Sorry if I sound really bored in this. It's probably because I am, because this is the third time that I've filmed this, because the last two, the audios are really sketchy and it was not very funky first. So that's why I've already spent, only 40 minutes. Felt way longer than that. Okay, so first of all, I've already imported all the layers I need, but all you're going to need is your base colour, the particles, and that spiky thing. I'll give you both of these at the end, and credits to Video Overlays for this one and Raylocal. I do not know how to pronounce her username, but I'll tag them both later on in the video. So, first of all, I make the base, so you're going to add your base colour as layer 1, and then layer 2 is going to be just mess around with the masking a bit until you sort of get it how you want, and then layer 3 is just going to be the exact same. Now, I'm just going to move layer 3 out of the way because it's going to get in our way. So for layer 2, there's probably a better way to do this. But what I do is, because it's going to be the shadow of layer 3, I basically just add focus to make it darker. Now, there's probably a better way to do it, but this is how I do it. And then layer 3, just bring that back. To bring that back, I just double clicked and it brings it back. I'm going to select layer 2, options, and show other layers and select 3. And now you'll be able to see all the layers. So now just move it around to however you want the shadow to be, sort of. I think I'm just going to put mine like that. That's enough shadow for me. And create. So now the colouring. So I usually add colouring to this layer just a wee bit. I don't even know. Usually just a wee bit of exposure, bit of contrast, and this probably makes no difference whatsoever, but then I add a bit of sharpen, sometimes stylize, just sort of depends, but yeah, not feeling it today. So literally just what I did there was sharpen, contrast, and I can't even remember, I think that's it. And now, you don't have to do this step, to be honest. It probably doesn't make any difference, but I add a wee bit of aberration, I believe it's called, and just sort of fiddle around with the actual photo, and yeah, sorry for that. Okay, so now that I've added colouring onto this and the vase, now it is time to put it all together. So obviously layer 1 is going to be your base colour, and then you can add more of these little, whatever you call them, thingies. I personally don't think I'm going to, but you can if you want. And then it is the spiky thing. And again, just fiddle around with the masking until it is how you would like it. I think that's good at the moment. There we go. Now, if you're happy with the colour that it already is, then sure, go ahead, keep it like that. But if you want to change it, you're going to select Colour Boost, and I don't know, just fiddle around with it. Like, so much of VideoStar is like fiddling around with the buttons and stuff and just seeing which one is going to suit your edit. So I think I'm just going to go with this colour, and then again, I'm not really sure how many it just depends on the size of your picture, etc. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add, I think 5, I think I'm going to add 4. That should be enough, I hope. There we go. And now I'm just going to move them all up into this corner, just to get them out of the way. And then layer 6 is going to be your picture, whatever. I've already pre-made the mask, so just select the mask shape. It's a bit messy, do excuse me. And just sort of place it wherever you want. Sorry, I've got like a really dry throat. And then from there, just adjust the little things to your preference, really.
I can't help it, I'm falling for you, and I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you.
Now the next step is also very much optional, and I do it for some edits and then I don't do it for others, so it really depends. Like, oh my god, it really hugely just depends. Now sometimes if I'm not really feeling a connection, then sometimes I just start putting that on. I might do it just very pale pink, just sort of to add, I don't know. Or you can either do that, or what I also sometimes do is, I don't actually think I have it in my favourites yet. No, I do not. This came in the new update. The cosmic bubble things, my bobbers. So you can also select these, which is pretty cool, I think. Outline, there we go. And then you click create, and that's it really. Just sort of pause it wherever, take a photo, save it to camera roll, might as well set them to, and that is it. Yeah, I hope this helps you, and you can use these for like actual edits, like the actual edit, or as I'll insert in the next, as like a profile picture or something. I've got a blue version with Gracie from Pony Nuts with it. So yeah, just thanks for watching if you got this far, and I will try make more videos because I just kind of forgot about my YouTube channel for about 5,000 months. So yeah, I'm great at this.